Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 17.54% since we initially recommended purchasing Meta 20 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.88% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next move, as it could take either direction. The stock has surpassed a significant upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the ceiling of the recently broken trend, which stands at $724.26. This level could present a second opportunity for gains. According to theoretical analysis, $809.59 could emerge as the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be easily surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 22.7% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 8.08% to 22.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 37.2% over the next year, with potential returns between 5.2% and 29.89%. This would translate to a price range between $763.09 and $942.19 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline: Meta stock price ended at $725.38 on Wednesday after gaining 0.775%. The Meta stock price appreciated by 0.775% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, rising from $719.80 to $725.38. This marks the 10th consecutive day of gains. It is relatively uncommon for a stock to achieve such a streak, and minor declines may be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2%, with a day low at $712.85 and a day high of $727.10. The price has increased in all of the last 10 days and is up by 7.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 191,000 shares, with a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.48 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $727.10, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 0.24%, or $1.72, below the 52-week high of $727.10, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making strategic moves that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. The company is embracing an open-source approach in artificial intelligence, particularly with projects like Llama. This initiative taps into Meta's robust financial performance, highlighted by a remarkable $48 billion and $39 million in revenue during the fourth quarter of 2024, which supports its ambitious AI endeavors. This could lead to groundbreaking innovations, positioning Meta as a leader in AI development. Additionally, reports suggest that Meta is in talks to acquire the South Korean chip firm Furiosa AI. This acquisition, if finalized, would bolster Meta's hardware infrastructure for AI, thus enhancing its competitive edge. The stock has been on a substantial upward trajectory, achieving its longest winning streak ever, closing higher for 17 consecutive days and gaining 18% during that period. With retail investors increasingly favoring Meta and ongoing discussions regarding its future in AI, the outlook remains positive. Analysts believe there is still potential for double-digit growth, suggesting that the market perceives Meta's initiatives favorably. However, the recent layoffs, affecting approximately 3,600 employees, present a potential risk. While the company asserts that these cuts target low performers, employee pushback could impact internal morale and ultimately influence productivity. Overall, Meta's position as a frontrunner in AI, combined with its strong financial backing, suggests a promising trajectory for its stock, though it will need to navigate workforce challenges carefully. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight grade and recommended a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Meta a buy grade and recommended an upgrade action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Meta an outperform grade and recommended a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Meta an overweight grade and recommended a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Pivotal Research assigned Meta a buy grade and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $714.08 and $642.91. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14th, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 22.07%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, despite price gains. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a buy 2 weeks ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 1 week ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 weeks ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell about 3 weeks ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal about 7 weeks ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 weeks ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy approximately 4 months ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal about 4 months ago as well. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $687.69 and $659.88. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $687. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $659.88 and $585.25. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $14.25 between high and low, or 2%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.87%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.61. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this situation, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 48,483 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.618. In total, insiders acquired 127,842 shares and divested 297,839 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $685.48, reflecting a decrease of 5.5%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta exhibits several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to either maintain or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate Meta will open lower by $3.60, starting at a price of $721.78. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.